Hello guys, today is gonna be a very simple, easy recipe, the infamous Dalgona Coffee. Ta-da!
It's a coffee that's recently been trending in Korean cafes. So everyone's at home, everyone's doing remote work. I know you guys haven't been getting enough exercise, so let's exercise with this time.
This is the perfect time to make that coffee.
Yeah, participation points. Get up.
So today we're gonna use instant coffee. Any regular coffee brand is okay.
See, very simple.
2 tablespoons, and this is for 1 person serving. And 2 tablespoons of that sugar. 1 tablespoon in. And the second one in. And boil up some water. So the equal ratio of water, 2 tablespoons of hot boiling water. 1 and 2. So now that many of you are staying inside, this is something for your kids to do. Yeah, make them help you out. You can use these automated machines, but what's more fun about this is doing it by hand.
Burn some calories.
Exactly. Work it out!
How long do we have to do this?
Until your wrist falls off.
Oh my.
Oh, Daniel, would you want to join?
Not really, but are you asking me to help?
아, 조금 똥까지만 나네.
Alright.
Oh, 근데 the color is so pretty now. I'm so surprised it's changing its color now.
We wanted to froth up like a meringue. What do you call it? Like a little mountain peaks.
Yeah, over the weekend we went to see some plants. We actually bought a really pretty tree that will help ventilate our house. It's our cute little plant that's like setting the mood for our living room. And this one is actually a bigger tree. Daniel, do you remember the name of this one? I think it's called Bengal rubber tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I love like how there's like 2 different shades to the leaf. So apparently when it gets a lot of sun, it turns like lighter and turns into 2-tone color like this. It just light ups the mood for us. How pretty. We plan to raise this really well and healthy, right?
Look at this kitty.
In the meantime, my sous chef is hard at work.
Look at it. It's getting really peaky. Like Peaky Blinders.
It just turned into Dalgona, the snack color.
Let's take a little sample. Ooh.
Very nice.
It's very nice. If you're the type that adds sugar to your coffee, I would add in a little bit more sugar and then it'll be...
Yeah, I'm surprised how it's not like too sweet, because usually the Dalgona snack is just
very
so sweet.
But this is not overly sweet, that's why I like it. It's more elegant, like...
Yourself?
I think we're done here. Kitty, let's show them the end, the consistency.
That's the consistency. 여기를 찍어야 돼.
Ah, right.
This is the consistency you're looking for.
Right, little peaks.
Yeah. Now I will pour the milk.
Ooh, slow pour. Nice.
This is our Dalgona meringue. Look how thick and glossy it looks. Oh my god! 뭐야 저 똥덩이는?
It floats. Floating is because all this air has been whipped into it, you know?
Look at it.
Nice.
오, 그렇게 하고. Oh, good! Good. Mix it up. I don't want to break it, but I have to. 한다. Look. It's so mild, foamy. Definitely this is a milk-based coffee. So if you can't really have strong coffee, or just as like a variation to your everyday coffee life, this is great. With my sweet 꽈배기, what can I ask for more? Ah! Bon beverage.